One of the most important thing when we prepare some good, we need labor. The first important word is here is labor. What is the meaning of labor? Labor means it refers to the people who are available for work. Second is physical capital. Physical capital means the variety of input required during the process of production. Third is fixed capital, that part of the physical capital which can be used in production over many years and cannot be altered in short period, like tools, machines and buildings. This we purchase and use for many years. We can use it for many years. Working capital is asset, money. They are the part of the physical capital which is used up in production. For example, raw materials and money in our hand. Human capital. The physical capital cannot deliver goods in the absence of adequate trained human power. So human being is the most important capital. Human mind is the most important capital. We need it for performing different tasks. So we need expert human, that is called human capital. Hence, investment in human beings for their education, training, health, such as investment is termed as a human capital. Human capital is the stock of skills. Skilled people is also a stock and productive knowledge embodied in them. So ultimately the most important capital is human capital. Human being is the person who is expert in doing some work. Multiple crop. Next sixth number is multiple cropping. The practice of growing more than one crop on a piece of land during a year. So we can have more production in one place, one land. Particularly in village agriculture, we have more than one crops around the year. That is called multiple cropping. Yield. Agriculture yield is measured as a crop produced on a given piece of land during a single season. So agriculture yielded input is measured as a crop produced on a given piece of land. One piece of land, how many production is there, that is called yield of that particular land. Sometimes we have 2 or sometimes we have 3 yield in a season, in a year. Next is non-farm activities. Refers to the activities in a village other than farming. Other activities like, for example, their dairy activities, manufacturing, transportation. These includes activities like manufacturing, transportation, shopkeeping and other activities which is included or which is a part of main activities called non-farming activities. Farming activities are directly related to the agriculture production, and subsidiary activities, auxiliary activities are called non-farming activities. Green Revolution. The large increase in the agriculture production after 1967-68 due to adoption of new agricultural strategy which implied a simultaneous use of better and modern agriculture inputs, that is called Green Revolution. We shall look and come across these terms in this chapter. So what is our chapter is the story of village Palampur.